dough. Popping pills is all we know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the birria tacos, quesatacos, the one video that everyone's been requesting. So if you want to go ahead and learn how to make it, stay tuned and I'm going to be showing you guys how. Alright guys, your ingredients. Here I have the birria that I took out and I chopped it up. I'll show you guys that in a minute. And here I have the consome. So you're going to dip your tortilla into the consome, which is the meat juice. You're going to need Monterrey Jack cheese and toppings, your cilantro, onions, and lemon, and salsa, which I'm currently making in the stove right now. And that's all you need, guys. Alright guys, for your next step, I went ahead and removed all the carne, all the meat from my pot. And I just took out just the meat right now so I could start shredding it just like that. It's easily the meat is very soft, so it easily dissolves. You don't want big chunks when you're adding it into the taco. So just with your knife, just chop it up as small as you like, and then we'll go ahead and add the consomme juice back into the meat so it stays juicy. To get started, gotta get our pan nice and hot. It's already nice and hot. Now I'm gonna add some oil. Good amount to cover it all. Okay, so you're gonna grab your tortilla. You could separate your consomme in a separate bowl. I'm gonna just dip it in here so it gets everything. Just see, just like an enchilada. You dip one side, you dip the other, just like that. Remove any excess. And it's fine if like the oregano gets stuck. And then you're just gonna straight into your pan. Start adding your cheese and your meat, just like that. Make sure it stays in just like that. And you could leave it like this for a few seconds, I'm sorry, just so it gets toasted, and then you're gonna flip it. And then you just wanna you're gonna grab a spatula and then just flip it and let it get toasted on this side. And it's gonna splatter everywhere, so if you're not used to the oil, I say just try to be a little bit back, or also don't add as much cheese or the meat, just very little, so it doesn't splatter all over. Because once the cheese and the meat start touch the oil, it starts to splatter everywhere. I'm gonna flip it on this side and then let it get nice and crunchy. Like that. You guys can see. Like that. So delicious. Depending how crunchy you want it, all up to you. I'm gonna leave it for a few more minutes. Seconds, I mean. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove. And repeat process. I'll do one more. Grab your tortilla, dip, dip, add your cheese. On this one, I'll add very little cheese. And the rest of my carne. And here are your quesatacos, as you guys could see. Let me zoom in. And now your next step is to add cilantro. Salsa. Look at that. I couldn't wait any longer. They were so good. I just had to take a bite. They were so good. Definitely give it a thumbs up. I suggest you guys make it. You guys will love this. And there you have it, guys. Your birria tacos, quesatacos, your mulitas, whatever you want to call them. There's different names. They were so easy to make. If you haven't checked out my video for the birria, go ahead and check it out. That's so easy to make as well. But I promise you guys are gonna love this. It just when you just take the first bite, I just cannot explain. I definitely suggest you guys give it a try. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you. I'll see you guys on my next video.
Anything happen at the night show, ooh, at the night show, ooh.